Hello, my name is Nissan Permanas in Weir Ear Protections. Okay, this time we travel to Moloka'i. Hawaii. We find some interesting sirens here. Modulators. Yes, SD10s, SD10s, and 2T and T2 in Moloka'i, and we will see the appearance of all these sirens on Moloka'i through in Google Street Views sirens, and this is a unstripped viewed areas. Okay. Oh, yes, this is a street views, and this is what the fuck. This is a Federal Signal later. This is a 3012 sirens, and this is only in Hawaii with gray color sirens with letters, gray or great letters, and this is a controller box. This is conservated, and this is a road, and this is a moddings in Kakaku roads. Okay, and sirens in Mauna Loa sirens. Modulators is a road. It is a word modulators. 3012. Control box. MC or MCPs. Alteration of your voice, and this is a DSA, which is a not unstripped viewed, and this is a stairs simulate street views. Is sirens. What is a sirens in Papa Lost Cemeteries in stairs simulate street views, and this is a unstripped view, and this is DSA directional speaker arrays, which is okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 okay, 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 6 7, and this is a rarity. The age is this is 6 by 4 by 7 wood is a siren, and with a solar panel, and this is a modified DSA siren in Hawaii, and 8,817 Kamehameha highways sirens DSA This is controllers, UV voice, ultra voice, with a civil defense logo, CDs. This is siren, with a solar and transmitters, antennas, modulators, ventilators, 2012, Federal Signal logos. This is a solar panel. This is for transmitters, antennas, Yagi models, controller box, ultra voice, aluminum. This is a SDX10 or SD10. So siren SD10. This is solar panels. What the fake solar panels? Very nasty controller box. 11 years ago, this is XD10 in 5,925 highway 415. Okay, this is a XD10. And this is so green letters 2012 solar panels and the transmitter, and this is a control box, and this is a batteries for controllers, green letters, and this is SD10 sirens. So where it is, and this is a Hawaiian siren. But this is a fake solar panels, SD10, then transmitters. But this and this is a siren, but green letters. Green letter sirens. Green letters. And this is a green letters 2012 controllers. What is MC or MCPs? What is a grace? What is a with ultra voice in Hawaii sirens? And this is a 22 sirens. So grey controllers, if timers box. And thanks for watching. This is street view of 11 siren in Moloka'i siren in Hawaii siren map.